Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss chemical coordination and integration top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the endocrine glands? A. They are known as ductless glands. B. Their secretions are called hormones. C. Hormones are secreted through ducts in the bloodstream. D. These glands lack ducts. Answer. C. Hormones are secreted through ducts in the bloodstream. 2. What is the name of the outer layer of the adrenal cortex? A. Zona reticularis. B. Zona glomerulosa. C. Zona fasciculata. D. Zona pellucida. Answer. B. Zona glomerulosa. 3. Low secretion of the growth hormone causes which of the following diseases? A. Acromegaly. B. Gigantism. C. Dwarfism. D. Thyroid. Answer. C. Dwarfism. 4. Which of these is not a function of melatonin? A. Regulation of the diurnal cycle. B. Regulation of body temperature. C. Regulation of menstrual cycle. D. Regulation of bowel movements. Answer. D. Regulation of bowel movements. 5. Which of the following is not a function of LH and FSH in females? A. Induces ovulation. B. Secretion of androgens. C. Maintaining corpus luteum. D. Stimulates the growth of follicles. Answer. B. Secretion of androgens. 6. Which part of the pituitary is under the direct control of the hypothalamus? A. Posterior part. B. Anterior part. C. Dorsal part. D. Ventral part. Answer. A. Posterior part. 7. Where does vasopressin act on in the kidneys? A. Afferent arteriole. B. DCT. C. PCT. D. Efferent arteriole. Answer. B. DCT. 8. How many types of hormones are released by the pituitary? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer. B. 2. 9. Which of these statements is false about thymus? A. Differentiation of T lymphocytes take place here. B. It secretes thymosin. C. It is intact for persons of all ages. D. Promotes production of antibodies. Answer. C. It is intact for persons of all ages. 10. Adrenaline is derived from blank. A. Lipopolysaccharides. B. Amino acids. C. Lipids. D. Sugars. Answer. B. Amino acids. 11. Which of these is a secondary messenger? A. Ca2+. B. Mg2+. C. Na+. D. K+. Answer. A. Ca2+. 12. Which of these is not a function of gonadotropins in females? A. Induction of ovulation. B. Maintenance of corpus luteum. C. Breakdown of corpus luteum. D. Development of ovarian follicles. Answer. C. Breakdown of corpus luteum. 13. Which of these hormones would be rapidly secreted in a man if he was being chased by a dog? A. Somatostatin. B. Somatotropin. C. Epinephrine. D. Prolactin. Answer. C. Epinephrine. 14. Hypothalamic hormones are blank. A. Peptides. B. Steroids. C. Iodothyronins. D. Amino acid derivatives. Answer. A. Peptides. 15. Which element is crucial for the normal functioning of the thyroid gland? A. Potassium. B. Sulfur. C. Iodine. D. Calcium. Answer. C. Iodine. 16. Which of the following hormones regulate the growth of mammary glands? A. Prolactin. B. TSH. C. FSH. D. ACTH. Answer. A. Prolactin. 17. Which of the following hormones is not secreted by the pars distalis region of the pituitary? A. Prolactin. B. Growth hormone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone. D. Oxytocin. Answer. D. Oxytocin. 18. Hormone receptors are blank. A. Glycolipids. B. Lipids. C. Polysaccharides. D. Proteins. Answer. D. Proteins. 19. Which of these functions is not regulated by intracellular hormone receptor complexes? A. Regulation of gene expression. B. Regulation of chromosome function. C. Interaction with the genome. D. Regulation of K+ entry into the cell. Answer. D. Regulation of K+ entry into the cell. 20. Which of the following hormones are known as gonadotropins? A. LH and oxytocin. B. LH and vasopressin. C. LH and FSH. D. FSH and oxytocin. Answer. C. LH and FSH. 21. Which of these is false regarding receptors? A. Intracellular receptors are present within the cell. B. Receptors form complexes with hormones. C. Receptors disintegrate after contact with hormones. D. Receptors are specific. Answer. C. Receptors disintegrate after contact with hormones. 22. Which of these is not a function of PTH? A. Reduces calcium ion reabsorption from digested food. B. Increases calcium ion level in blood. C. Stimulates demineralization. D. Stimulates reabsorption of calcium ions in kidneys. Answer. A. Increases calcium ion level in blood. 23. Which of these structures of the heart secrete hormones? A. Bundle of His. B. Ventricle. C. SAR node. D. Atrium. Answer. D. Atrium. 24. How many parathyroid glands do humans possess? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 1. Answer. C. 4. 25. What is the disease caused by the deficiency of adrenal cortex hormones? A. Acromegaly. B. Graves' disease. C. Addison's disease. D. Diabetes insipidus. Answer. C. Addison's disease. 26. What is the effect of secretion of UNS? A. Increases urination frequency. B. Constricts blood vessels. C. Dilates blood vessels. D. Decreases urination frequency. Answer. C. Dilates blood vessels. 27. Which of these substances does norepinephrine not stimulate the breakdown of? A. Glucose. B. Lipids. C. Proteins. D. Glycogen. Answer. A. Glucose. 28. What is the function of somatostatin? A. Inhibits adrenaline release. B. Inhibits gonadotropin release. C. Inhibits growth hormone release. D. Inhibits epinephrine release. Answer. C. Inhibits growth hormone release. 29. Which of these glands are not endocrine? A. Pituitary. B. Parathyroid. C. Pineal. D. Parotid. Answer. D. Parotid. 30. Which of these hormones is released by the pars nervosa? A. Luteinizing hormone. B. Prolactin. C. Oxytocin. D. Follicle-stimulating hormone. Answer. C. Oxytocin. 31. What are the hormone-secreting cells of the hypothalamus called? A. Mast cells. B. Osteocytes. C. Neurosecretory cells. D. Neuroglia. Answer. C. Neurosecretory cells. 32. Which part of the kidney produces erythropoietin? A. PCT. B. DCT. C. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. D. Loop of Henle. Answer. C. Juxtaglomerular apparatus. 33. What is the location of the pineal gland? A. Dorsal side of forebrain. B. Ventral side of forebrain. C. Dorsal side of midbrain. D. Ventral side of midbrain. Answer. A. Dorsal side of forebrain. 34. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in a middle-aged man would lead to blank. A. Addison's disease. B. Gigantism. C. Acromegaly. D. Dwarfism. Answer. C. Acromegaly. 35. Which hormone is produced in the kidney? A. Angiotensinogen. B. Erythropoietin. C. Thrombopoietin. D. Somatostatin. Answer. B. Erythropoietin. 36. Which of these is a steroid hormone? A. Glucagon. B. Glucocorticoids. C. Insulin. D. Prolactin. Answer. B. Glucocorticoids. 37. Where is vasopressin synthesized? A. Pars intermedia. B. Anterior pituitary gland. C. Posterior pituitary gland. D. Hypothalamus. Answer. D. Hypothalamus. 38. What is the pars distalis also known as? A. Anterior pituitary. B. Posterior pituitary. C. Adrenal cortex. D. Adrenal medulla. Answer. A. Anterior pituitary. 39. Secretin acts on blank. A. Delta cells of pancreas. B. Beta cells of pancreas. C. Exocrine cells of pancreas. D. Alpha cells of pancreas. Answer. C. Exocrine cells of pancreas. 40. Which of these is not a function of oxytocin? A. Stimulation of breast milk production. B. Stimulation of smooth muscle contraction. C. Stimulation of uterine contraction at childbirth. D. Ejection of milk. Answer. A. Stimulation of breast milk production. 41. An abnormality in the functioning of. Which of these hormones can lead to diabetes insipidus? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Vasopressin. D. Growth hormone. Answer. C. Vasopressin. 42. Graves' disease is caused by blank. A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Deficiency of vasopressin. D. Deficiency of adrenaline. Answer. B. Hyperthyroidism. 43. Hypothyroidism causes blank. A. Goiter. B. Addison's disease. C. Graves' disease. D. Dwarfism. Answer. A. Goiter. 44. Goiter is caused by blank. A. Deficiency of calcium. B. Surplus of iodine. C. Deficiency of iodine. D. Surplus of calcium. Answer. C. Deficiency of iodine. 45. What is the function of MSH or melanocyte stimulating hormone? A. Formation of milk in females. B. Growth of mammary glands. C. Regulation of pigmentation. D. Stimulation of smooth muscle contraction. Answer. C. Regulation of pigmentation. 46. Hormones are carried around in the body by A. Blood. B. Nerves. C. Lymph. D. Both blood and lymph. Answer. D. Both blood and lymph. 47. Hadarian gland occurs in A. Whale. B. Frog. C. Birds. D. All the above. Answer. D. All the above. 48. Pituitary gland is found A. In the neck. B. At the base of the brain. C. Beneath the stomach. D. Near the kidneys. Answer. B. At the base of the brain. 49. Estrogen is produced by A. Liver. B. Ovary. C. Testosterone. D. None of these. Answer. B. Ovary. 50. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? A. Salivary gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Parathyroid gland. D. Pancreas gland. Answer. A. Salivary gland. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.